Hello and welcome, modern leaders and HR pros. The quest for the perfect HR platform is real, and in 2025, that conversation is dominated by AI. So in this video, we're putting Lattice under the microscope. We'll explore its well-established modules for performance and engagement, and then put a special focus on their new game changer, the Lattice AI agent. Is it the best HR platform to use this year? Let's find out together in this detailed overview.
Lattice describes itself as a platform dedicated to building a culture of performance and engagement where employees can thrive. The software is structured into integrated products, primarily performance management, which handles everything from goal tracking and real-time feedback to formal annual reviews. This is seamlessly connected to its goals and OKRs functionality, creating alignment and clarity across the organization. To measure and improve company culture, for fostering professional growth, the Grow module supports career development planning. The new Lattice AI agent for 2025 is positioned as a co-pilot for people leaders, aiming to automate routine work like generating summaries from one-on-ones or drafting recognition messages. The positive aspects of Lattice are clear. It offers a unified system that breaks down silos between different HR functions, which is incredible for strategic planning and providing a complete employee lifecycle view. Lattice operates on a modular pricing structure with a base cost and add-ons. The core talent management features like performance, goals, and core AI appear to be part of the foundational plan. The engagement module is an add-on costing an additional $4 per seat per month. For the HRIS functionality, the core HRIS is a separate module priced at $10 per seat per month, with further add-ons for payroll at plus $6 and time tracking at plus $2 per seat per month. This indicates that the total cost is highly customizable and scales with the specific modules a company chooses to activate. Glad to show you my research, guys. See you later.